Urgent, you wake up, check your terminal, and your open Forex positions are plummeting into the red. A surprise central bank rate hike or an unexpected geopolitical conflict just sent the global markets into a tailspin. This chart shows the standard retail trader's defense mechanism, the stop loss. It is an automated order programmed to forcibly close your position at a set price, preventing a temporary drop from turning into a total account blowout. But during violent temporary volatility, the stop loss has a fatal flaw. It permanently crystallizes your loss. It kicks you out of the trade entirely, leaving you stranded on the sidelines even if the market immediately rebounds in your direction. What if you still trust your long-term thesis? What if you just need a way to hit pause on the bleeding while the chaos sorts itself out? That is the exact purpose of Forex hedging. Hedging is a strategic, temporary insurance policy. It is designed to shield an open trade from an adverse price swing without forcing you to close your underlying position. It is not a tool to generate new profits. It is a defensive shield. You use it to buy time, protect your existing capital, and stop short-term market noise from wrecking a sound long-term strategy. Let's rewind the timeline to right before that market shock. You have an open, profitable long position on the British pound against the US dollar, meaning you bought the pair, expecting the price to rise. At the first sign of a steep drop, you deploy direct hedging. This means you immediately execute an exact opposing trade. Because you are holding one standard lot long, you open one standard lot short on the exact same pair. Your net exposure to the market drops exactly to zero. For every pip the price falls, your short position gains exactly what your long position loses. Your profit and loss are completely frozen in place.
But that freeze is expensive. You pay the broker spread, the fee to enter a trade, twice. Worse, you pay overnight swap fees, which are interest charges for holding a position past the daily cutoff, on both the long and short positions simultaneously. And depending on your jurisdiction, it might not even be an option. Direct hedging is illegal for retail traders in the United States. The National Futures Association enforces Rule 2-43B, which strictly bans holding simultaneous long and short positions in the same currency pair. Direct hedging provides a complete pause on market exposure, yet it drains your capital through compounding fees and is off-limits in major financial markets. So we rewind again. How do you protect that exact same long position when direct hedging is blocked by regulators or simply too expensive? You use correlation hedging. Global economies are deeply interconnected, meaning certain currency pairs predictably mirror each other. We can leverage these relationships to offset risk. This chart tracks a negative correlation. If you are long on the euro against the US dollar, you can hedge that risk by simultaneously buying the US dollar against the Swiss franc. When the euro drops, the Swiss franc pair predictably rises, offsetting a significant portion of your loss.
This dampens the overall volatility in your portfolio. It is a completely legal maneuver that bypasses direct hedging bans while keeping your exposure manageable. However, these mathematical relationships are not permanent. Correlations weaken, strengthen, and sometimes break apart entirely. Hedging is a dynamic, regulation-friendly shield, but it is an imperfect defense. It requires constant monitoring to ensure the economies haven't suddenly decoupled. Let's rewind one final time. We need a surgical approach to risk management, something that limits the bleeding without capping our trade's profit potential. This is where currency options enter the picture, specifically the put option. A put option is a contract you buy for an upfront premium fee. It gives you the right, but not the obligation, to sell a currency pair at a specific price, known as the strike price. Here is exactly how that protects you. If the market violently crashes, your put option activates. It creates a hard floor at your strike price, strictly capping your maximum possible loss, minus the premium you paid to buy the contract. But if the market shock is a false alarm and prices rally, the option simply expires worthless. Your original trade captures all of the upward profit movement, entirely unhindered by the hedge. You define your exact maximum risk up front with the premium fee, without neutralizing your potential reward. Options function exactly like true insurance. You only pay the deductible if disaster strikes, but you keep all the upside if the sky's clear. Deploying any of these shields in a state of panic usually causes more financial damage than doing nothing at all. Hedging is a planned tactic, not an emotional reaction. There are two traps traders fall into. First is overhedging, which ties up your available margin capital.
The second is ignoring the slow bleed of continuous swap fees and option premiums that quietly drain your account. But the most critical mistake you can make is entering a hedge to survive a shock without a predefined mathematical exit plan. You must know exactly under what conditions you will remove the shield. A proper hedge is proactive. You deploy it just hours before major scheduled macroeconomic events, like a Federal Reserve interest rate decision or a crucial jobs report, where sudden volatility is highly probable. You can also use it to defend your entire portfolio. If you hold multiple trades vulnerable to US dollar strength, a single index trade can protect all your correlated positions simultaneously during a period of uncertainty. Understand the costs, avoid the common pitfalls, and build your hedges into a strict trading plan. When you do, you stop being a reactive victim of market volatility and become a proactive master of your own capital. Ready to put this into practice? Explore the advanced correlation tools and trade with zero-pip spreads on the FXNX platform. Open a demo account today to test your shielding strategies risk-free.